Uh, you'll notice how if you've been following us from the development, how we're using machining, and yes, he had challenges here and there where he got to a situation where he lost his father, and except for that, he was at some point low in confidence and injuries here and there. But we know that Mshini is a special talent, there's no doubt about it. And yes, one thing for sure, a fully fit Mshini, without any off the field, maybe challenges, like any other individual, will always, give you, something special. And I think people they haven't seen him yet, especially in the first team, because he's a special talent. And I can tell you now, once he gets into that the level where we expect him to be, you'll see that he's a special player, for us. So there is no doubt that we'll always try to help him, to reach his full potential as an